in church class.
That was disgusting, and that's coming from...
Yes.
When you're home alone, you can do everything you want.
No. Whoa! Bird.
Hey, put your nose right here. How was that?
Burp!
Give me a second.
Burp!
Give me a second.
Excuse me, from the bottom of my heart. If it came out the other end, it would have been a fart.
Popcorn.
Oh, that was so weak. I'm kind of pissed. Right, been weak as hell. I'm sorry, guys.
Smile.
You're on camera. Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh, shit.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to say...
Three P's. Baseball. Beer. Bark.
Who's this? Just take.
Bastard.
What are you doing, bro? God.
Just do anything.
No. Blood.
You got...
How normal people burp. Excuse me.
How I burp.
Yeah.